What is up, everybody? Garrett here, and I'm coming to you today with a handstand tutorial. This is a movement I get asked about all the time. I get asked, how do you hold it for so long? How do you kick up into it without constantly falling over? And I've been doing the handstand, I think, long enough now to answer all those questions. And so I've actually compiled an actual guide of multiple progressions, multiple levels that anyone can start at, on not only how to achieve a freestanding handstand, but how to achieve it well, and that you're starting off on a better foot than I did. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Pay attention to how long to hold each progression before moving on to the next one, and same with repetitions. Some of these movements are a little dynamic. Make sure you can do them successfully and controlled for a certain amount of reps before moving on to the next set. And so, yeah, let's get that handstand.